friends, Running Kimono, and I do apologize that my haul is still not on the internet. I hope that tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the 28th, I'll have a haul up for you guys. I was in Canada the last weekend and it spilled in today because the traveling does take a little bit. Uploading is kind of a bear up there. It's really hard. So I just forgoed a video because it just would have taken way too long to get like a little quick video up. So hopefully a lot of you understand that. And if you're going to watch my haul video, there might be something extra sweet for you in this. If you can read between the lines, we're going to have a little giveaway courtesy of my mom who bought me a ton of candy. So how generous of her. And if you like Canadian candy, that'll be a video you're not going to want to miss. A lot of you watched my video from last week about the matchups, and a lot of these deals stand. I know that a lot of you on Instagram, I was getting photos of your hauls, and a lot of you were winning, so how fun is that? So we're going to look at some curbside deals if you want to just throw these into the app and pick them up at the store. There are some other deals that cropped up, so we're going to talk about that for this little quick video for you guys. So again, if you're really new to this, this is called a curbside pickup, which is you order this stuff through your desktop computer or your cell phone or tablet, and then you physically drive to the store. I would go into the photo department. That's where you usually pick them up and say, "Hey, I'm Jane Smith." And then they'll process your order. Any register rewards will pop out of the machine. There is one for this. So you can get your order that way. So that is what we're going to do is a curbside pickup. And always curbside, the prices are a little bit cheaper unless your store will do a price modify from curbside to in store. Some stores do that with no problem, and other stores, it doesn't end very well. So we're going to be grabbing one of these Wet n Wild lipsticks for $2.99. The operative thing is a product that is $2.99. Because we have a little bit of magic working here that include 2 digital coupons. We have this $1.50 manufacturer. So load this one at the very least. If you look at the bottom, see how it says manufacturer coupon, thus you know you're grabbing the right one. And then we have the IVC. Mr. IVC is of a one-time use, so use it wisely. So if you want this or if you want to save it for next week, it is of a one-time use. So grabbing one lip product for $2.99, subtracting the IVC, subtracting the manufacturer, you're paying the tax. So how wonderful is this? As you're doing it at curbside, you would be a little bit short from getting to that $10 mark, so you'd have to throw in some other stuff into your basket. But hey, this is a quick little freebie. With your one Wet n Wild lipstick, why don't you throw in 2 of these Revlon quads? It's an eyeshadow quad for $5.19. In store, that will be a lot more. So curbside is definitely the way to go with this deal. So 2 of them at $5.19 is $10.38. They have different colors as well. We have this wonderful digital coupon that showed up a couple weeks back, and I was like, load the coupon. So hopefully you loaded it. It's a 7 off, which is a very generous coupon. And as you can see, that 7 off is attaching, no problems, no issues with these Revlon quads. Looking at your basket here, $10.38 for the 2 shadows. We're doing this as a curbside pickup. We've met our $10 cap as well. We have our tax in there, the 7 off. You're paying for. I would throw in $4 of Walgreens cash and go into the store because you're going to get back a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of these. It makes it free plus a $1 moneymaker. Throw in that cheapy $2.99 Wet n Wild as well. You're getting 2 eyeshadows and 1 lipstick and a whole bunch of free makeup as a $1 moneymaker. Kind of awesome. Now, if you're into long road trips like yours truly, maybe you need some icy hot. Some very generous digital coupons showed up on Sunday, so I will just explain this deal. Grab 2 in your basket for $11.98. We have 2 manufacturers that include a 3 off and a $2 off. So that's $5 off. So it's $11.98, subtracting the 5. That is $6.98 you'll pay. You can use a bit of Walgreens cash if you wish. And you've also reached that $10 mark at $11.98. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $3 back for each. So it'll be 98 cents for the 2 after IBOTTA. The IBOTTA app has that little pink ticking time clock. So I would double, triple check before you put your order in that you have this rebate. But I mean, 98 cents for 2 pain relievers might be a fantastic deal. So watch out for my haul tomorrow, guys. We will have something great, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.